Please give a big round of applause for my brother and my friend, Larry J. A round of applause for Larry J. A round of applause for Larry J.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. Don't sound like your life is so complicated. Sound like you really want it to be easy. Praise the Lord. Now you are sounding more like it. Please put your hands together for yourself. Put your hands together for yourself. If you don't celebrate yourself, nobody will celebrate you. Put your hands together for yourself. Now, I want you to look at your neighbor. Say, neighbor, you are special. Neighbor, you look beautiful. Oh yeah, look at your neighbor's nose. If your nose is better than your neighbor's nose, say praise the Lord. Look at your neighbor's mouth. If your mouth is better than your neighbor's nose, say praise the Lord. Oh yeah, look at your neighbor's shoes. You will notice some people start doing like this now. If your shoe is better than your neighbor's shoes, say praise the Lord. Put your hands together for yourself one more time, ladies and gentlemen. All right, I'd like to do this as fast as I can. Please, I was talking to a small kid, and he was like, Uncle, I want my daddy to buy me PS. He was just saying PSP, he just mentioned P. The only PSP I know, now those ones where they carry dirty. So, I was imagining the whole thing. During my own days, when we were growing up, we had games. We don't need television to play game. How many of you play Willow Master? How many of you play Suwe, Tenten, Bogubon, Police and Thief? How many of you know this song? Monini, Monini, Morarugbo Konlodo. It's okay. How many of you know this one? Boju Bojo. You know, when you people are doing ho, you are sounding like Oro. But please, just control yourselves. So when I say, but just say ho. Don't say ho. But ladies and gentlemen, those days, it was not. How many remember those days when they used to tell us no Yoruba speaking in class? You remember? You know, say, if you speak Yoruba, then go say, may you pay money. Yeah. I remember something happened in my own time in my class. My teacher told me, no Yoruba speaking in the school premises. If you speak vernacular, you pay a sum of 20 naira. That time, na 2 naira they carry go school. How will I speak? I didn't talk. 6 years straight, no word. But I was communicating. You see anybody when they do anyhow, junior student, they do. You're just so. Use your kidney. You don't know why. He was say, Uncle, what did I, Senior, what is happening? What did I do? He said, oh my God, you have God finished. And you know, then we used to form English by ourselves. You say, you are bungalow cigar. You are town. I know everything is harder then. Something used to happen in my school back in the days, and you know, this thing happens a lot in my school. Where you see senior students, you could quarrel with junior, but the reason why the junior they win is because of the English. Something that happened in my class. The teacher walked in, he was like, everybody bring out your pen and paper. Test. And you know, they not go tell you say test day. Me, where they sit down, and me, Yusuf Lamidi. No, I went to a private school, but in a public environment, so now the environment. That day, the teacher just came into the class. He was like, everybody bring out a pen and paper, we'll be having tests. Then he started to rewrite the test. Me, Yusuf, Lamidi. It can't remain as the three of us. Now, 2 biro we always share. It remain as the 3 of us go share the 2 biro. Hey! Me, I carry 1 biro. I don't write. Of course, I know if you read waiting right, so I don't write the question back for him. It can't remain as Yusuf go tell Lamidi, make he give him biro. Way teacher no go no. And he must not speak vernacular. So then guys, if you want to talk, then you will close your teeth, they follow another person talk. See what I hear? Yourself. That one say, Yourself. That one say, sorry, I hear from my neighbor, man. That one say, come straight here. That one tell her, my God, would you? That one tell her, to buy me on Imbo, Lomaso. You know what I just say, what? As he slap and the best way they say, just say, He just say, what is it? Esma. Bah, bah. DJ say I heard it. What is it? Bah, bah, bah. He said, buy me your go. Into all my kidney fail. DJ say, what are you saying? Shut up, my friend. You cannot express yourself. Sit down. As you sit down, I can't me. I don't shift my locker because I know see why I go happen. I shift my locker where. They're gonna do. Oh, take that here. That one say, say. He said, I just say, wah. Hey, see fight. Guru. On a normal day, if we are allowed to speak any language, people go separate the fights. But that day, nobody separates them. Because if you separate, now you teacher go and say, waiting happen. So to avoid the embarrassment and the money, nobody separate them. Now teacher say, stop fighting, use can separate each of them. You, what happened? Hold on. He just say, what is it? Esma. The pa in the alakoko. Is in that pami. I didn't pa in at all. He said, as you give barrow, I say, don't your barrow. He said, give barrow, I say, don't your barrow. He said, we pa, I say, pa. You know, pride. You know, say, who pa? I say, it's him that cried. You say, I should sit down that I don't hear English. I sit down. And the teacher say, shut up, my friend. Shut up. You. They're going to point the other guy. You. Slap him. Esma. He's lying. Because the pa in the alakoko, he say, I should pa. And I tell you, I say the barrow, Esma, Esma. Wait, the barrow is a twins barrow. It's a twins barrow. I be holding one, Larry be holding one. We have been playing it every time we have a lecturer. You see, we have been playing it to be used, and you come and say it in your own. I say it don't in your own. We have been hearing you in holiday. You say it in your own. I come and crying. He say kidney are fake. I say no. He say we buy your own back. He not buy. Hey. And I'm not buying back. He just said, shut up, my friend. How would you be in SS3 and you cannot express yourself? Sit down. Me, we are no talk since. He said, come face me. Now that you were here, what happened? I said, man, I went here. Because you told them I did baro. I don't wear here. It's just. The teacher now said something. And I said, Larry, are you telling me you can't express yourself? I said, man, he doesn't like that. I'm an expression of he say he say I don't baro. Umba biliki where here where the baro have been borrowed. That was say Esma, all of us were wearing deal. Thank you very much, my name is Larry J. God bless y'all.
Oh my gosh.